In this video, we'll be doing the unboxing of the OnePlus 5T. This may be a late unboxing, but still thought of sharing this, so let's check it out.
Before starting this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also press the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads.
This is the flagship from OnePlus 5T. The white box with the red OnePlus logo looks pretty nice. Removing the box comes out the smartphone, which looks damn sleek. Let's keep the smartphone aside and check out what we get inside this red box. Opening this, we get this silicone TPU case with some paperwork like the terms and conditions, warranty information, some OnePlus stickers which looks cool, and the SIM tray ejection tool. Digging more inside the box, we have the dash charger, for which I'm really excited as OnePlus promises that this charger can give you a day's charge in half an hour. For the technical guys, let me tell you that this charger has an output of 5 volt at 4 amps, which is pretty fast as a fast charger. It also comes with this cool looking red colored USB Type-C cable, and it matches the look and design of the packaging. Now, keeping everything aside, let's check out the smartphone. So this is the OnePlus 5T. It has got a 5.9-inch AMOLED screen at the front, having a resolution of 1080 by 2160. So comparing with the OnePlus 5, now we are getting much more room at the front with less bezels and no fingerprint or a physical home button. At the back, we have the dual cameras, a 16 megapixel and a 20 megapixel sensor with the dual LED flash. So unlike the original OnePlus 5, this time we are not getting the 2x telephoto zoom lens, rather the second camera is used for better low light photography. I personally don't like this decision of OnePlus, as the telephoto zoom of OnePlus 5 works pretty damn good. Anyways, just below it we get the fingerprint scanner, which is a super fast fingerprint sensor, and I'll be showing you that in the later part of this video. Below that we have the OnePlus logo and nothing else in the back. We have got nothing but the power button on the right side and the volume keys with the ringer alert slider on the left side of the smartphone. Keeping almost nothing at the top, we have the single speaker grill, the USB Type-C port, main microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom of the smartphone. Now let's boot this device for the first time, and by the time it boots up, let's check out the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus 5T is running on Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, which is an octa-core CPU with Adreno 540 GPU. It has got a non-removable 3300 mAh battery, which we had tested and surprisingly gives around 6 hours of screen on time with moderate usage. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any slot for SD cards, so you need to stick only with the internal memory. The smartphone comes with two variants, one having the 6GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, and the other having a 8GB RAM with 128GB of internal memory. Now, if you're confused on which one to go for, then I would say that only choose the higher model, which is the 8GB model, if you are not satisfied with the internal memory of 64GB, as you won't get any difference in performance with both the 6GB as well as the 8GB variant. Right now it's only available in midnight black color, but OnePlus also shipped this smartphone with some limited edition colors like the sandstone white, lava red, as well as a Star Wars edition. Now finally our phone has booted up, and I'll quickly complete the initial setup. So guys, we're done with the initial setup of the smartphone, and trust me, this phone is super fast. The Oxygen OS on this smartphone looks almost like stock Android, and opening any app or doing whatever on this smartphone feels blazing fast. Out of the box, it ships with Android 7.1.1 Nougat, but we already got an update of Oxygen OS, which gives us Android Oreo. So at the time of the initial setup, we had also completed the setup of face unlock and fingerprint, and now let's check out the face unlock first. Press the power button and it unlocks. OnePlus 5T has got the fastest face unlock, and as you can see here, it's so fast that it even skips the lock screen and comes directly to the home screen. Now comparing this with Samsung's Iris Scanner or iPhone X's Face ID, This thing might be fast but less secure than those. But don't worry, it won't unlock with any unregistered face. Now checking on the fingerprint scanner, look at the phone screen on my left hand. As soon as I touch the fingerprint scanner, without any lag or delay, it unlocks the smartphone. Super fast. I'd also tested the fingerprint scanner on the Redmi Note 5 Pro as well as the Samsung Galaxy S8, but this one is the fastest. So as you can see, in a blink of an eye, it gets unlocked. So guys, that was it for the unboxing of the OnePlus 5T, and the one which we had unboxed here is the 6GB model. So if you want to purchase the smartphone, it's only available on Amazon. So follow the purchase link in the description of this video. We'll be covering much more interesting stuff like the camera comparison of the OnePlus 5T with the Redmi Note 5 Pro and also some cool speed test. So stay tuned for that, and that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit the like button down below and also do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.